The nightmare that was 2020 is coming to an end, and if you think there's reason to celebrate, hold your horses before you decide to go for a lavish New Year party. Because the pandemic isn't over, we're also talking about a new strain of coronavirus from the United Kingdom that's been reported in India. So amid these worrying reports, state governments have taken several steps to ensure that there are no grand New Year parties at clubs, at restaurants, to ensure that overcrowding doesn't take place and that coronavirus precautions are still kept in mind. So let me break down for you now what the rules are in different states on New Year's Eve. Let's start with the state of Maharashtra, where a night curfew has been put in place by the administration. This was from December 22nd to January 5th. So the curfew is from 11 p.m. to 6 a.m. So a 7-hour-long curfew that has been imposed to ensure that people don't throng clubs, restaurants on New Year's Eve. Parties have been completely banned in Mumbai as well. So no permission will be given for your New Year Eve parties. Well, the Karnataka government also has put in place several measures to restrict clubs, restaurants, bars from holding lavish New Year parties. So from December 30th to January 2nd, these curbs will be in place. Initially, the government had actually come out with a decision like that of the Maharashtra government to have a night curfew from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. However, they decided to do a rethink on that decision. So there's no night curfew in place, but restrictions are still very much there when we talk about New Year parties. Now, in the state of Tamil Nadu also, a number of restrictions and curbs as expected in place. A ban on parties. So restaurants, clubs will not be allowed to have New Year parties. Importantly, beach parties also, which is a huge deal in Chennai, is not going to be allowed this time around. So the restrictions are in place in Tamil Nadu from December 31st to January 1st, essentially to cover midnight and to cover New Year's Eve, to ensure that no big parties happen then. What about the state of Rajasthan? If you live in Rajasthan, number of restrictions that you'll have to keep in mind. Again, Rajasthan has a limited curfew from December 31st to January 1st, and this will be from 8 p.m. to 6 a.m. So quite a long night curfew there. This is essentially to restrict and limit crowds on New Year's Eve. And these curbs are particularly in cities of Rajasthan where there is a population of more than 1 lakh. Now in Uttarakhand, which sees a lot of tourist inflow at this time of the year, curbs have been put in place to ensure there are no public gatherings. So all forms of public gatherings has been stopped in Dehradun, as well as in Missouri, in Rishikesh, as well as several other parts of Uttarakhand. This means also that there will be no big gatherings or no parties at pubs, restaurants, clubs, etc. All of that will remain closed. Now, the Uttarakhand government has also said that violators will face strict action under the law. The kind of restrictions and announcements made in Uttar Pradesh. The focus particularly on Gautam Budh Nagar or Noida, which is part of the National Capital Region, and that's where you see a lot of gatherings usually happen on New Year's. This time around, yes, parties will be allowed, but strict protocols, COVID protocols must be maintained. Any organizer of a party must submit their due details to the DCP of that area, of that zone, so that the police are able to constantly monitor what the situation is and whether all norms are being followed. If you live in Punjab, what are the norms like? Well, there is already a night curfew in place, and that the government has confirmed will continue on New Year's Eve as well. So the night curfew is between 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. Besides that, there are restrictions in place already with regards to gatherings. The indoor gatherings, really, the crowd is limited to 100, and in outdoor gatherings, it can go up to 250. But amid all of this, the Punjab administration very alert and saying that violators, people who don't follow social distancing and wear masks, will be facing action. What about the northeast state of Manipur? Well, the night curfew timings, in fact, the night curfew has been in place since November. The timings are a little different because, of course, in Manipur, the sunset and sunrise is very different. So the night curfew is from 6 p.m. to 4 a.m. The upside for people in Manipur is that the government has said that New Year celebrations in public places will be allowed. However, only during the day, so they cannot violate the night curfew that's been put in place. Also, even when they gather in these public places, the police will be closely monitoring to ensure all COVID protocol is being followed. What about the state of Himachal Pradesh? Well, again, a lot of tourist inflow at this time of the year in Himachal, and keeping that in mind, a clampdown has been ordered in several parts of Himachal. So 8 districts at this point have a night curfew in Himachal Pradesh, and this goes on well beyond New Year's up till January 5th. And finally, the state of Odisha. Here too, the administration has made it very clear that New Year celebrations will not be allowed. There's a night curfew in place in Odisha's Cuttack as well as in Bhubaneswar. And also the administration has said that no New Year Eve parties will be allowed anywhere, be it in public places, in restaurants, clubs, bars, etc. The administration has appealed to people to celebrate New Year's quietly indoors in their homes. So that's a roundup of what exactly are the restrictions in different states. We hope you found this video useful and the information at hand. Remember to follow all norms. Don't start off the year as a COVID yet on a bad note. Keep all restrictions and precautions in mind and ensure you start 2021 on a safe note.